Tailift is the spokesman for Taiwanese forklift trucks. The biggest manufacturer of forklifts. Tailift provides a wide range of forklifts, such as diesel, gasoline, electric, and LPG types. Tailift and UK forklift manufacturer have jointly invested in the use of a warehouse narrow-aisle electric truck. Tailift owns a significant market share in the Taiwanese forklift market. Since 1994, Tailift merged its sales network and distribution channels so successfully that forklift sales volume moved Taiwanese to number 1 and continues on as the record holder. For the global market expanding to 50 countries and obtaining customer satisfaction and high praise. All trucks have CE and ISO 9001 certification and have been awarded with the National Enterprise Innovation Research Award. With over 20 years of forklift manufacturing experience, Tailift not only raises the administrative levels in investing and development, but also improved manufacturing techniques. We believe not only that our quality can rival the Japanese forklifts, but also our price is more competitive. More and more customers have found Tailift to be a reliable brand of forklift truck.